So welcome to MDT Coach. In 2011, it was brought to our attention that they were seeking a bid to build a new building in the New Bedford Business Park. Currently, their location is next to the Seekonk Speedway on Route 6 in Seekonk. And so eventually we were handed the silver medal. We didn't get the opportunity to start the project, and the owner awarded it to another company out of Rhode Island. His problem was they played funny ball with the money, and they ordered this pre-engineered metal building you see with the red steel, and they left it in the mud, which left the owner high and dry. That's when he called us back up and said, I know that I didn't give you the project in the first place, but I really need your help in putting this together. So we ended up having to research a metallic building. We're a star building dealer ourselves, and we were able to take this building off the ground and take the plans that they had provided and put what was left together, filling in the blanks with what was damaged or what was stolen. So essentially, we came onto the scene with a foundation in the ground that was poorly built, and we had to repair that. We had to do all the underground utilities within the building and then erect the building and finish it all the way around the four sides. And that's what we did. Right now, we're in the process of the final tune-up and waiting for the owner to get his telephone system in here so that the fire alarm system can be tested and inspected by the town. So let's take a look at the building. It's a motor coach building with 8 bays. It's approximately 12,000 square feet with an office and facilities for the bus drivers. They move people. Look at the floor. You might think that the guy is a Pittsburgh Steelers fan. I don't know. I didn't pick the colors. We just put it on. So this is the owner's office with his full shower. You can take a look at the tile work. And this is his reception area. Conference room, everything finished, painted, final clean. And a half toilet for the staff. Front of the building is here on Castaldi Drive. It is a Dartmouth address within the New Bedford Business Park. We, 12 years ago, built the building right next door, a flex building, 40,000 square feet, and then we built this because of the people in the industrial park and given the owner our name, and hence our opportunity to bid on the project. It was a really good project for us. We typically nowadays work primarily on our own buildings, but we started this process, as I had mentioned, in 2011, and we saw it as an opportunity. It did keep our guys busy for some time, and we're very happy that we did the job. So the mechanical systems, as you come on in and take a look, are rooftop units that you just saw sitting on the ground as they bring in both hot and cold air into the shop area. So this shop is actually air conditioned for the benefit of the mechanics and the bus drivers that work here. And then the mechanical systems on the front for the offices are both gas-fired hot and cold furnaces that reside on the top and lower level. So 2 different independent mechanical systems, floor drain systems, a dump station over here, a wash bay station for the motor coaches, and a very basic building. Sprinklered, high efficiency lighting throughout the building, and hopefully they're very successful over the course of forever. And as you look at the front of the building, you will see a cementitious paneled system, and that is one of the requirements here in the New Bedford Business Park. And it sits on top of a block split-faced knee wall. The other 3 sides can be metal panels as they are addressed here on this building. So part of the process, those panels mostly were here when we got here, and That's what makes up MDT Coach's exterior here in the New Bedford Business Park. We started the project actually late last year, and we're finishing it up now. The owner had to make some decisions. It stalled us a number of times, and here we are.